Hello Geminis, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what are the messages for you. And these are general readings, so won't be resonating with each and every one of you. So just take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see what are the messages for Geminis. What are the messages for Gemini? Okay, so we have the Fool, the Five of Swords, is the Emperor, the World, the Seven of Cups, the Page of Pentacles, Magician, the Temperance, something major Geminis, Nine of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles. The Page of Cups, and let's have one more. The Three of Swords. Okay, so Geminis, what I feel is you made a new beginning and you took some sort of a risk in the situation and made a new beginning. Okay, you moved in a direction, or you started something new, or you moved in a certain direction which required some sort of a risk along with it. And somehow what I feel is maybe you were even stopped by someone. Somebody even said that, okay, don't go, don't take this risk. Listen to me, you shouldn't be doing that. It's something like that. So there was somebody in your close friend or family, or somebody you trust upon whatsoever. There was or maybe it was a hunch from the universe, but there was something strongly telling you that don't take that risk type of a situation, but then you took it anyway, and somehow it hasn't uh, been a very good decision of taking the risk, and things have not moved the way you expected. Okay, so things there, either there has been some sort of a fight or an argument, and it seems to be because of something or someone who has been very very dominating. Okay, it seems to be a situation in which somebody has been very dominating, or somebody have wanted to have their own way. Maybe somebody from the authority, maybe of that nature, it's somebody powerful. So things have, it's not turned well. This situation, the risk which you took, or the path you followed, or whatever new you started, it has really not been a very good decision on your part, by not listening to that person or the hunch which the universe was giving you. Okay, and it is that situation hasn't turned out to be well, and it is because of somebody who's been dominating, or maybe it's like some authoritative person I'm getting. It's something like that. Okay, it's like that boss type of a feeling, boss type of an energy at least. Okay, or maybe that adamancy. Okay, I'll do it, or somebody didn't want you to do it, so it's coming off like that. The obstacle comes to be come seems to be from that side. Okay, and then we have the World, the Seven of Cups, and the Page of Pentacles. So definitely now you really don't know what to do, what not. You know that the only thing here is you need to tie a knot to whatever it was and have a new beginning. So you are ready to close off this chapter and to have a new beginning, but you really don't know which way to go. There are a lot of options. There is a lot of confusion also with all those options, and it's a tough decision to make. But then yes, you are ultimately making a decision. You will be able to make that decision, and you really need to understand that the decision should be a wise one. Don't again I'm getting a message that maybe there is somebody here in your vicinity who is not a very positive energy. Somehow I'm that's what I'm getting. Maybe there is someone here in your vicinity or in your clan who is sort of it's like either backbiting, or you are not even aware of this energy of the person who is harming you, or something or someone is harming you and you're not aware of that person or that situation as to what is happening, who is doing it. It's something like that. Okay, yes, there is a lot of confusion, that part is there, but that is an additional message which I got. For it will resonate with somebody there out there. Okay, so basically you are confused, you have to start a new chapter again, but then you will be able to take a decision. You will take a small step again forward towards something stable, towards a new beginning. And with the magician, the temperance, what I feel here is you are deciding to do temperance, the nine of pentacles, the queen of pentacles here. What I feel here is the page of cups and the three of swords. What I feel here is that definitely you will take that right decision and a small step forward, because you will not take that risk. You will make a small beginning, and you will put a firm foot forward this time, and you will you are ready to put all your resources and energy into this new beginning, and in a very very balanced way. This time you are not trying to act in haste, you are not even trying to listen to anyone or take that opinion. You are actually trying to listen to your intuition this time. Okay, so you are even rejuvenating yourself, you're spending the time, you're giving yourself the break of whatever has happened. So this time what I feel here is it is all stability in your mind. You are trying to think about it in a proper way. You are not in haste, you are taking all the decisions slowly and steadily. That's what I feel. Though there is a lot of pain, with the three of swords here. You have a lot of pain in your heart, you feel a lot of pain, but yes, you are trying to come out of the pain. So whatever it was with the five of swords, it has really affected you, and it is still showing up there with the three of swords. So though you are with the page of cups, here we have the page of pentacles, here we have the page of cups. So after you are giving yourself that time to rejuvenate with the nine of pentacles and the queen of pentacles, you will be ready to open up once again. In spite of that pain being there in your heart, you will be able to do that much of work that you will be able to open up emotionally. Because as for now, what I feel is it is all about work. You are wanting to have a new beginning, you are focusing on yourself, you want to do everything in a very very balanced way, and that is what the guidance is also coming up for you. Okay, and once you are able to give yourself that time and energy to rejuvenate, then you will be able to move forward emotionally also, in spite of whatever the pain is, because you will be able to heal that pain slowly and steadily. Let's see what is the message from this deck for Geminis. The three of clubs. So this is commitment, this is happiness, this is stability, this is party. Okay, so this is a very very positive card here. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels. Six of emotion. Memories can fill your heart with many emotions. It is important to remember your past accurately without seeing it as better or worse than it was. People you used to know may return to your life unexpectedly. Children could be an important issue, or you may need to reconnect with your own inner child. So, Geminis, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.